down! I just got killed during an emergency meeting! Oh! Yo, what's up, FGTeeV? Is this show?
Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh, no! Whoa!
So of course you guys know Fortnite death runs. How about a death run with 100 levels in it? Dude, we haven't done this in a long time. And then of course at the end we try.
This Minecraft princess is trapped in a tower by this mischievous little dragon. Now it's up to this Minecraft prince to try to save the princess. But this little dragon isn't about to give her up so easily. Now the prince...
The first person to find me is going to get $1,000. You guys have 30 minutes.
Josh!
I'm